Hey guys, welcome back to Resourceful Living Homestead. We are going to get week 14 update on Micro Dwarf 2526 collaboration with Gail at Gail's Southern Living and Carol with Broke But Bountifully Blessed. Let me turn this down just a little bit. So I've been doing some rearranging in my grow tent, making room for starter pots. I've got double grow lights on both of those now. And back here are our Micro Dwarf tomatoes that are doing fantastic. Check out that one back there. It is so big. It's about 2 feet tall. I'm not sure which one that is. I lost track, but there is no flowers on that one yet. But on these, I've got flowering on this one, flowers on this one, and I've got buds right here on this one. So it should be putting out some flowers soon. And I've got buds on this one, right back here behind my finger. No flowers yet, but I do have budding. So anyway, I've got those. I had up potted those into bigger pots last week. And this, over the next few days, I'm going to be adding some more soil to those. Covering it up a little better. But anyway, boy, I am impressed with these Micro Dwarf tomatoes. I mean, heck, it's been 14 weeks and they are big. I mean, I think some regular tomato plants don't even get this big in 14 weeks. But we're going to run with it. They're doing fantastic, and I am very pleased. Gonna get some more soil in those, and we'll see how they look on week 15. I might have some little tomatoes by week 15. Who knows? Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on week 15. Micro Dwarf 2526 collaboration.